おい、いるか。
おお、なんだ桐生さん。あんたまだ生きてたの。おいおい、べっぴんさんだけど、あんたこんなとこに女連れかよ。
悪いが他に行くとこがね。また少しの間かくまってくれ。
しょうがねえな。本当にむさ苦しいところですが、特に匂いとか。
大丈夫です。すみません。
いや、謝ることはないけどさ。なあ桐生さん、やっぱりこんなとこに若い子を置いとくってのはちょっとな。
分かってる。
私の兄が迎えに来るまでお願いします。
お兄さん。
ああ、ただ電話しても繋がらねえんだ。だから俺が直接そいつのところに行ってくる。それまでの間彼女を頼む。
お兄さんってどこにいるんだよ。
アジア街にいるはずだ。
なんだ、カムロ町の中か。何日も預からなきゃいけないのかと思った。でもアジア街ならこの子を連れて一緒に行けばいいじゃない。
堂島組に狙われてる。今は俺じゃなくて彼女の方がだ。安全か分からないうちはアジア街にも連れて行けねえ。
堂島組に狙われてるって、この子がなんで。
あんたは知らねえ方がいい。
そっか。まああんたにはホームレス狩りから助けられた義理もある。分かったよ、引き受けた。
How come Tachibana's not responding? Guess heading to Little Asia is the quickest way to find out. And hey, it's me, Jacs, back at it again. Let's see. Nothing of import happened lately. Just more of the same. It's pretty good in my opinion. What was I gonna say? Oh yes, about the twist with Makoto Makimura and Oda. One thing that actually irked me not thought about, and I forgot to mention it last time, is just the way that she quickly forgives him and stuff. How fast it was. Well, I say forgive. We didn't hear her explicitly say forgive, but she was pretty quick to be nice to him. Like, say, get up. Like, don't, like, get up and keep going with us, but in my opinion, it wasn't.
今日は虫の居所が悪いんでな。
邪魔だ。
Shoot him out a little bit. Might as well go to Dolce Kamiya in the business office real quick. So, let's see. Oh, yes, there's a side quest right here. You'll see the batting cage. Oh, that's Daigo. I already did that. There's that kid. Fortune teller lady. I think I got both of those on camera already, but for some reason they didn't save, and I haven't done them yet. That's not good. Took you up here. Oh yeah, I need to go see that one chick. Tetsu. Yeah, I need to go see her. I forgot. I guess it's because, funny enough, I never find myself going to the taxis. It's just a bit too fun just running around Kamurocho. So I guess I'll do this one, the management real quick. Run to, no, wait. I'll do the business management office first, and then I'll go hang out with Miss Tetsu for a moment. As much as I can because of the fact, I've not done a lot for Beast right now. I mean, I could also go back to Bacchus and, what's his face? The guy with the training that I don't like. What was it? So guard event, that's interesting. Regard, snatch and strike. So X, 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 Y, then B. Oh, I need to boost the power of some of these attacks, though. Interesting. I recall hearing someone say online that if you're going to see Miss Tetsu, you need cash too. So I imagine she charges. I like that. I didn't get much money from that. Damn. Who said that? One of my cats just meowed at me. Here we go. It's on.
皆様ご機嫌いかがでショータイム司会のドルチェ神谷ですドルチェ神谷の
I'm not gonna bother just reading through this because I've already read through most of it. Oh, fuck. I missed this. Shit, I forgot I wrote in. Damn. Oh well. Whoa, Judgment Kazikun-san. That's just amazing. You may have been vague about the name of this miracle superstar, but I think I got your number. It sounded like you already got a lesson on how savage the entertainment world can be. Judgment Kazikun, all I can say is, don't stop until you've had enough. Whoa. That's the second time Judgment Kazikun has had a postcard feature on the show.
Hi.
If you can get on the air 3 times, you win a deluxe gift worth a cool 1,000,000 yen. Keep your postcards coming, listeners. Oh, it's time already? Too bad, too sad, but that's our show for today, folks.
See you
All right
next
then.
time.
Make sure to tune in again. Goodbye and see you next time. Another one of my postcards got on the air.
よっしゃ
All right,
読まれた
I
ぜ
got it on air. Mr. President, is something the matter? Yeah, I mean, no, it's, nothing. Shit, I feel like a fucking dickhead for just skipping through that. I wasn't sure that one was gonna get there. I had 2 postcards around the air on the radio so far. One more to win that deluxe million-yen prize. Alright, I just need a story that'll make it on air. What should I write in now? It needs to be a topic Dolce Kamiya would want to read on air. Huh. Who said that? Becoming a daddy. Yeah. I'll write about the guy who got hooked on cabaret clubs after searching for his long-lost daughter. Now let's see. Who's meowing?
おい
はい。
Well, the cat stopped meowing. Ready.
儲かった
I need to start going to more places. I don't see them much. Are they high? I wonder if they're highlighted on the side of the road or something. Let's see. The Leisure District right here. I just need to find more places to like find. Who's this guy over here? Okay. That's Mr. Shake. Whoa. Just ran right through there. Bacchus.
Hey, bye!
Hey boy, you ready to learn my moves? Yes.
Oh, boy!
Sorry boy, there's nothing I can teach you yet. How much more do I need to upgrade for this guy to teach me stuff? Let's see. Do I need to get up here or something? Huh. I guess off camera I'll do a bunch more grinding. That way I can get all this stuff before the very end.
とりあえず金出せ
後悔するなよおいよ
My turn. You don't get to Stop fucking run through. Long lumber. I'll go see Miss Tetsu now.
一杯飲んでって
So I thought the stories were pretty straightforward.
飲んでってくださいよ
I'll say that. There's not much for me to like really null and like non-mull on so far. I have vague ideas of what's gonna happen. Because as far as I know, the only people who show up after this are like Kiryu and Majima. Oh, what? Oh, that's okay. Walk around here. Fish. Can't talk to this guy. Here's a good spot for fishing. Got the easy starter. Select where to cast your line by moving the cursor with the left stick. Press A to cast. When a fish bites, it will start pulling on the sinker. As soon as the red mark on the sinker enters the water, press A to pull. To find out about using bait in different kinds of fishing, see fishing info. Alright, select topic. Oh my gosh. Alright, move the left joystick to like where I want to cast my reel. When a fish bites, press A to pull it in. And then when the red marker hits it, okay, baits and pulls. Scatter bait to attract more fish. Even some rare fish may appear. The higher the bait quality, the more effective it is. Any kind of bait only works for 3 minutes. However, the fish bite depends on which fishing pole you're using. Some poles are enable you to cast your line farther and make hooking fish easier. Alright. I feel like fishing is something that's a staple of most Japanese games. Do I have bait to scatter? Freshwater, saltwater, cast distance, sensitivity. Let's see how it looks without scattering bait. Yeah! Hold on. Gotcha!
Yosha!
Porcupine fish. Oh. You spin me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right round, round, round. Makes you think that stupid image of a cow spinning around. Porcupine fish. Okay. I'm gonna stop fishing. See, Near had fishing. There was another game that had fishing that I played. What was it? I feel like such a tool now. Oh well. Ah, Kiryu. So you showed up after all. Yeah. I got curious about the training you mentioned. I did a fucked up voice there. Glad you remembered. Can't trust a word that old drunk says, really. Hey, I'm not like him. Oh, relax. I'm just messing with you. Shall we get started? Sure. I'm all ears. I'm all ears turns into a big pile of ears. My training methods are simple. Just grab whatever you can, swing it around, and throw it until everything's smashed to hell. Sounds like you're taking your frustration out on things, but I guess there's got to be more to it than that. Does this thing help you impound furniture when you go to collect? Pretty much. It takes muscle and explosive force to grab heavy objects and swing them around quickly. This gives you the oomph you need. I see. No taking your time with it either. You have to be under pressure as if it's a real situation, and there's no point to training. Or there's no point to the training. A real situation? You mean when collecting a debt? I guess you're pretty used to a rough time. Hey, don't act like you don't know. I may even call on you to help me out sometime.
Nani?
Huh? You want me to go out and collect debt for you? Let's not jump any guns here. First, I want you to do this training to get a feel for it, alright? Yeah, got it. We'll start with a primer. This way. Mannequins are filled with play money, which burst out when you break them. The boxes have money in them, too. You have to smash all the mannequins before time runs out and recover a set amount of money. You good to start? Press X to... Okay. Yeah, I'm good. You have 120 seconds. Ready? Go. Alright. fire up on timer would be a lot harder. Interesting. Okay. What do you think? Pretty tough training, right? Yeah. I haven't done anything like this before. Then I'll make it even harder next time. Be ready. Great. By the way, I have to ask you to pay if you want me to keep going with this. I can only do so much charity work. Understood. Alright, time to knock it out. Hi, Tatsu. I keep calling you Tatsu. Your name's Tatsu. Alright. Let's go. How much did it cost? 1 million yen. 100,000? Okay. Thankfully, I have enough yen to cover all this. How'd I get all spot up there in that guy's head. It makes me think of like the Avatar tattoo, Airbender tattoo that Aang has. Avatar Last Airbender. Just keep seeing that thing. Hey, there we go. Oh, not bad. You're getting the hang of a more aggressive fighting style. Here's a little something for you. Take it. A Tatsu brand drink. Come back whenever you feel like more training. Ah, Kiryu. Ready to go beast mode? Yeah, sounds good. Not like I'm hurting for cash right now. My little kitty cat right there sleeping on my computer tower. Oh, I did order a laptop. It's a whoa, that guy has a what? Oh shit. Oh, that's annoying. Laptop. It's a bit of a cheap $3 isn't exactly cheap, you know what I mean? It's not going to be used to do anything crazy, just more so to have something on the go. Maybe add some videos when I'm not home. Also like do some writing. I need something bigger ones. It looks like it'd be a cool way to end the fight. All right. Not bad. You're getting the hang of a more aggressive fight. Okay. Have to brand drink. You must be getting bored with all this training. Let's talk about those real situations I mentioned at the start. Yeah, sure. Basically, I'm gonna ask you to help me collect on some scum suckers who owe big money. I'll give you a target, you use what you learned to get it done. Got it? I see. One thing though. What? You gonna chicken out now?
Yeah.
No, I just want to know why you don't do this yourself. Well, I just got a little too notorious for my own good. What do you mean? Lately, I've been running into this problem where my targets already know I'm coming. So I get there and they're already filling the coop, or worse, they're aiming guns at the door. I'm good, but I'm only good while I'm breathing. So if I get jobs that I catch a whiff of stank on, I'm going to send you. Nobody knows you just yet. I get it. You must have really made a name for yourself. It's a pain in the ass. Anyway, I'm sure once the real battle starts, your training will pay off. You'll no doubt learn a few new moves along the way as well. And I'll even let you keep all the money you collect. How's that for a little incentive? Sounds good. I might take you up on that sometime. Like right now. I've already done some training. I'll do a mission real quick. I have a job for you. You interested? Yeah. Yeah, I'm in. Let me tell you who we're up against. The target is a guy called Tetsuya the Gigolo. He couldn't make do with the money from the girls he lives off of, so he's been taking out loans he's never going to pay back. Then once the loan sharks see him drowning, he foists the loans onto some unlucky lady and moves on to the next gullible floozy. Scum on Earth. Scum of the Earth, basically. And why would this be a job for me? Well, this is your first job, so I figured we'd start with someone easy to handle. Besides, guys like him just end up pissing me off too much. I see. I figure this will be a cinch. But remember, he'll do anything it takes to get away. If you slip up, you can get yourself hurt, get yourself killed. You ready for this? Let's go. Yeah, I'm ready. Alright, let's go. Miss Tetsu, your voice just got deeper. Yeah? Alright, where's this punk-ass motherfucker? Tetsuya the Gigolo, I could take it. Huh? Is that what they're calling me out there? Only thing they're gonna be calling you out there is Tetsuya the dead asshole if you don't give me what you owe. Do that and I'm gone. You're Miss Tatsu, aren't you? I've heard all about you. I was picturing a broad built like a gorilla. And who's this guy? He your pimp? Yeah, and he's 10 times better at it than you'll ever be. Huh? When did I become a pimp? Zip it. You're here to put the screws on this loser. You two done with your little circus act? This meat sack couldn't put the screws on a plank, much less me. You think so? You're about to see what it feels like to get screwed. Mess him up, Kiryu. Time to rifle through his pockets. Take his J. Fuck your hands. What's this? Garbage. That's what it is. Get up, go. Oh shit. Wow, that's bitch. Pretty easy. Good work, Kiryu. You see the look on that guy's face? He'll think twice before he gets into any more mischief. Yeah, I hope you're right. He didn't look like a quick learner, though. All that just means is you're way too nice to the guy. If it had been me, well, nice isn't in my vocabulary. You still have a lot to learn. I may ask you to help me again if something else comes up. Come back when you want to train. You got 100 million yen. Not 100 million, 1 million yen and 410,000. Guarded weapon charge skill? What? Guarded weapon charge? Where is it? Dual stab? What? Oh, that's really cool. No, I figured it'd be right here. Mastery? Master 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Abilities? How do I go back to abilities? Info. Oh shit. How did I forget how to get to, like, check my abilities? Beasts, details. Okay. Guarded weapon charge. LB then Y. Charge forward holding a large weapon with your guard up. Okay, interesting. Alright, let's do this. Fuck. Okay. Well, I'm gonna dump more into here, I guess. Let's see. Let's do this. In this. Wait. I need putting more into like brawler. Huh. Alright. Let's go back to Tenkaichi Street. I'll go ahead and end the recording here, and then I'll pick up doing that, doing the quest for the fortune teller lady. Alright. Till next time. Oh wait, I turned my mouse off. Here we go.